Hey guys, so a few days ago, some of you guys didn't get my explanation about the new science literacy chapter because Ramadan cut our time off. So I made this video to make up for it. By the way, hi, my name is Izzy and I'm going to explain to you. This is the material about materials. Material about materials. Yeah, I know, English is complicated. Anyway, let's do this quickly. There are 7 materials that you need to learn. Number 1. What material is this? This is plastic. What material is this? This is metal. What material is this? This is rubber. What material is this? It's wood. What material is this? This is glass. What material is this? It is fabric. And last thing, what material is this? This is ceramic. Ceramic, yeah, not ceramic. That's how you say it. Yeah, in Indonesia we call it keramik, but in English we say it ceramic. Okay, we start with something easy. What does this bottle made of? Okay, it's plastic. What does the window made of? It's glass. What does the spoon made of? It's metal. Okay, let's try something harder. What does a tire made of? It's rubber. What does a paper made of? It's wood. Yeah, paper is made of wood, yeah. That's why if you are wasting paper, that means you are wasting trees. Next, what does a shirt made of? It's fabric. And last one, what does a vase made of? It's ceramic. So easy lah, yeah, so easy lah. Okay, now answer these questions and pause the video if you need more time. Which of these objects is made of plastic? The raincoat and the ruler. Which of these objects is made of ceramic? The floor and the plate, right? Which of these objects is made of wood? The house and the paper. Which of these objects is made of fabric? The backpack and the pencil case. Which of these objects is made of metal? The keys and the phone. Which of these objects is made of rubber? The rubber band and the eraser. Okay, last one. What does the lamp and the mirror made of? It's made of glass. Right, now let's learn about the characteristics of materials. Some materials are hard and some are elastic. Okay, now let's see. Is the table hard or elastic? It's hard. Is the rubber band hard or elastic? It's elastic. Is this plastic glove hard or elastic? It's elastic. Is this plastic toy hard or elastic? It's hard. Is the coin hard or elastic? It's hard. Easy, right? Now, some materials are waterproof and some materials are not. Raincoat is made of plastic. Do you think the raincoat is waterproof or non-waterproof? It's waterproof, so plastic is waterproof. How about fabric? Is the fabric waterproof? No, it's not waterproof. Now how about glass? Is glass waterproof? Yes, it is waterproof. How about ceramic? Is it waterproof? Well, actually, ceramic is not waterproof. If you pour water into ceramic, the water will be absorbed. So how come is there a ceramic mug? Because the ceramic is coated with glaze, and so now we have a waterproof ceramic mug. Okay, now you know about the seven materials: plastic, rubber, metal, wood, glass, fabric, and ceramic. But where do these materials come from? Let's start with something easy. Where do you get wood from? Where does wood come from? Right, wood comes from trees. Where does rubber come from? Rubber comes from rubber tree. Now a bit tricky. Where does glass come from? Actually, glass comes from sand. Yeah, remember this scene? The fire girl sat on the sand and the sand turns into glass. So yeah, glass does come from sand. Now where does fabric come from? Fabric comes from cotton tree. Now this will be on your test, so pay attention. How can cotton turn into clothes? First, cotton is spun into thread, and then thread is then woven into fabric, and then fabric then sewn into clothes. Cottons turned into thread, threads turned into fabric, fabrics turned into clothes. Say it with me. Cottons turned into thread, threads turned into fabric, fabrics turned into clothes. One more time. Cottons turned into thread, threads turned into fabric, fabrics turned into clothes. Alright, that's enough. Let's continue. Where does ceramic made of? It's made of clay. No, not this clay. I know what you're thinking. It's not toy clay, but this clay. Next is a bit more tricky. Where does plastic come from? Plastic comes from petroleum. It's like a type of oil from Earth. How about metal? Where does metal come from? This one is also a bit hard, but metal comes from an ore. Where'd you get ore from? It's from the Earth's crust. So you need to mine the Earth's crust to get metal ores. You probably already know this from a game, but yeah, that game is actually true. Okay, we finished our lesson, so let's try doing some exercises. Homework! Open your notebook and just write the answer. I repeat, just write the answer. You don't have to write the question. Pause this video to do this exercise. We will discuss this next week, so I need you to do this exercise before our class. Okay, see you at school next week, guys. Thanks for your hard work.